बोल तो दिया
ये आगे बात फ्यूचर स्टार्ट हो जा छोड़ दो हरिकेत
आगे 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 लगभग दो किसमें लिखूंगा मैं
Super evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
evening.
ये वही है मैंने तरह से दिए तो
Mute yourself, everyone. First of all,
मैंने पेपर दे दिया
mute yourself. Yes, please, everybody mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Mom, I want to ask something.
Who wants to ask?
Ma'am, Asman.
Yes, Asman.
Ma'am, in dialogue writing, like Shivai and Kia, the Shivai, we have to like the Shivaya points and Kia's points are written. Ma'am, do we
Yes.
have to write this?
No, beta, just wait a minute. Please, just wait a minute. Asmanjot, in dialogue writing, one person dialogue is given in the question paper. Another person dialogue you need to write. Okay?
No, I want to ask this only.
Okay. Now, this is a poem given. It is like a unseen passage. It is just for your practice. I'll post this worksheet on your group also. So just read it down and write down the answers. I'll post this worksheet on your group also so that you may practice. So first,
Ma'am,
yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am, can we take a printout?
You can take out the printout. It's okay. I do not have any issues. You can take out the printout. Yes. Now listen, children. Listen to me. These unseen passages, these exercises.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us discuss these exercises. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable. Shreyansh, stop doing anything on the screen, please. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable adverb from the words in the box. Right? There are few words given in the box. You just do one thing now. Write down question number 1 in your notebook, rough notebook. Write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down the answers on your own. Then we will discuss.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to start from the fill in the blanks with the most suitable adverb.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Only write down the answers. She writes her homework dash. The birds chirp dash in the morning. He crossed the road dash. The students arrived at school dash. The rabbit ran dash to win the race. Write down the answers only.
Ma'am, can you do the question paper and I want to see the front of it?
Front?
The upper part.
The upper part you will do afterwards, beta. It is a comprehension passage and I'll post it on group. Then you will do it afterwards. First do these blanks so that we can discuss it here.
Okay.
we don't do it, if we don't do this, if we don't do this after the class, what will happen?
मम्मा भैया कि वो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बाद में करवाएंगे क्योंकि उसमें बहुत टाइम लगेगा।
Oh,
ऑन द चेयर है ना, गलत है।
पहले भर लो, मुझे नहीं मालूम। देखो द कैट इज सिटिंग,
On
स्कूल बैग इज केप्ट
ऑन द टेबल और द कैट इज सिटिंग बिहाइंड, मतलब नीचे तो होता है,
बिहाइंड मतलब क्या होता है? पीछे होता है बिहाइंड मतलब।
अंडर मतलब नीचे,
हम्म
अंदर अंदर अंदर।
कैट जो है वो अंडर द चेयर नीचे ही तो बैठी है।
Devik, mute yourself, beta.
यस मैम।
Yourself.
Okay, have you all done? So let me discuss it. She writes her homework.
मैम नीटली।
neatly.
Very
प्लीज
good.
वेट मैम नीटली।
कैप्ट डैश द टेबल।
Now,
Ma'am,
neatly.
ऑन द बॉल है।
मुझे नहीं मालूम।
Okay, neatly is correct. The birds chirp dash in the morning.
लाउडली
Loudly.
लाउडली
Loudly.
Loudly.
Correct. Correct.
Loudly.
He crossed.
Loudly.
He crossed
Carefully.
carefully.
carefully
Carefully. Very good. Very good. The students arrived at school
Early.
day.
Early.
Very good. The rabbit ran
Quickly.
in the race.
Quickly.
Very good.
सेकंड
on
Now complete the sentences using the correct
Under
preposition
the chair.
from the box. You know the meaning of preposition? Preposition are
Yes, ma'am.
words
Now
which
the school bag is kept
of
on the table.
noun or pronoun
The
Okay.
clock is hanging
or the relations. Please, children, mute yourself.
on.
So the first question is, the cat is sitting dash the chair.
Under the chair. Under.
Okay,
Under.
under the chair. It is under the chair. Okay. Now second one is, my school bag is kept
On.
on the table.
On.
Correct? On the table. Okay. The clock is hanging.
near
It is on the wall. The clock is hanging
on
on the wall.
on
Why are you shouting?
on
Tanchveer,
yes ma'am
don't shout.
okay ma'am
There is a garden dash my house.
near
Okay.
near
Very good, Chipper. Good. You are enjoying. Mihir, are you enjoying this session? Okay. Now, the boy is hiding. Dash.
behind
Very good. Now,
behind
scroll my screen. Now, there is an exercise on conjunction. Choose the correct conjunction from the box to complete the sentences. In this, conjunction are the joining words. Okay? We join two sentences. I wanted to go outside. Dash, it was raining.
But because.
No, not because it is but. You can have an apple. Dash a banana. Or a banana. Right. Or a banana. She was late. Dash. She missed the bus.
And.
And no, she was late.
Ma'am, because
Yes.
oh,
Because she missed the bus. Now we went to the park. We went to the park
and ma'am, what is the answer of third one?
because
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
There's only 4, but there are 5
So
of
it's
the sentences.
one word is missing, that is so. One word is missing, that is so. S-O, so. He went to the park.
So,
No. And played
Oh.
on the swings. He went to the
and
park and.
ma'am, where? Ma'am, where?
Beta, fourth one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please send the worksheet on the group.
Okay. I
Ma'am.
will send it.
ma'am, there is some network issues.
Beta, I will send this worksheet on group also. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
You.
we were on fourth one. We went to the park and played on the swings.
And
Beta, who is doing this on the screen? He studied hard. Dash, he passed the exam. He studied hard.
So,
So he
so,
passed. So, S-O, so. So he passed the exam. Okay. Now, your next question, change the following sentences as instructed. Now do this one.
excuse me, ma'am, how many more questions are there in this worksheet?
Beta, it is very small worksheet. Only few more questions are there. Why you are asking this, Tanshveer? You're not enjoying it?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Do we
Krishita.
have to do one question by one, or we need to do all 3 of them together?
Which three?
Ma'am, there are 3 questions, 6, 7, and 8. So do we have to do them all together, or you're gonna make us do one and then discuss it, and then one and then
Yes,
discuss
one
it?
and then discuss. Do question number 6 and then we will discuss.
Excuse me, ma'am, why have you written in question number 7? Why have you written 5 marks?
Where I have written? As a question
In
number
question
7th I have written. It is by mistake.
ma'am.
क्या हो गया बेटा? इसको बड़ा करो।
कहा रही हूँ क्या मैं?
पापा के लिए निकाल रहे हो फिर आपके लिए होगा। आपको
क्यों?
तुम बताओ ना क्या हो गया?
ये नहीं समझ रहा।
क्यों? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस। प्रेजेंट मींस इज एम आर आएगा, है ना? और कंटिन्यूस मींस रीता इज
और फ्यूचर का क्या आएगा?
नहीं, रीता इज आगे क्या लिखोगी?
डार्लिंग ब्यूटीफुल।
हाँ,
इजी लिखूंगी मैं आंसर।
नहीं
अभी के लिए
नहीं, यू हैव टू चेंज इट, यू हैव टू राइट द होल सेंटेंस। इज नहीं लिखना है, इज डांसिंग भी इंग भी लगाना है, वो वाला वर्ब भी लगाना होगा, एक्शन वर्ड भी लगाना है।
हाँ,
किसके लिए कंटिन्यू?
he writes a
फ्यूचर,
letter.
फ्यूचर में
He is going to write
नो,
a letter.
गोइंग इज कंटिन्यूस हो जाएगा।
अरे ये रीता डांसेस ब्यूटीफुली पास्ट में है क्योंकि इसको प्रेजेंट
फ्यूचर टेंस ही,
मेरे को बताओ कौन सा वाला है, मैं बताऊंगा।
नहीं,
he will do it in future।
he will write a letter.
हाँ, फ्यूचर टेंस।
The letter explains the lesson.
दिखा।
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes, Asmanjot.
I cannot understand the question 6, fourth one.
Fourth one. The baby slept peacefully. Interrogative means you have to change it in a question form.
Okay, ma'am.
So have you all done question number 6?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Do it fast. Then we'll discuss.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Now, what do you call the words that have the same sound and same spelling but different meaning?
Homophones.
Homophones. No, ma'am, I'm asking the words that have the same spelling and same sound.
Same spelling, and it is not in your syllabus this time.
Okay, ma'am, but what is it called?
It is called homophones, and another name is, just wait, I'll tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, whatever. Ma'am, in question 7,
Cake.
Yes, Shreyansh.
ma'am, can we do question 7?
Beta Tanshveer, those words are known as homonyms.
Homophone.
These are homophones. Those words are known as homonyms. Yes, Shreyansh.
Can
What do
we
you
do
want to
question 7?
ask? Beta, homophones, you need to write the correct homophone in the sentence. Like the dash shining brightly. So which spelling you will write? S-O-N or S-U-N?
S-U-N.
Yes, I know. Very good, Asmanjot. So have you all done question number 6?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Arike, tell me the answer of first one. Rita dances beautifully. Present continuous.
Rita is dancing beautifully.
Very good. Now he writes a letter. Shreya. He writes a letter. Future sentence. Future tense.
He is writing a letter.
No, it is future. Future.
He will write a letter.
Yes, he will write a letter. Okay, now Devik. The teacher explains the lesson. Simple past tense.
Ma'am, the teacher explained the lesson.
What is the spelling of explain?
EXPLAIN.
ED. Beta, you need to,
Okay, ma'am.
what is the verb here? Explain. So, abhi second form of the verb. In past tense, you have to put second form of the verb. Okay? So second form of explain is explained.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it can be teacher has explained the lesson
No, the
also.
teacher explained the lesson.
Okay,
Explained.
ma'am.
सिंपल क्या
Okay,
था
ma'am.
क्या पता है?
Advik.
तुमने एक ऐसे क्वेश्चन
Advik.
उतार दिया?
Anaya, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Which one? Fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is the baby sleeping peacefully?
Beta, first you need to find which verb is used in the sentence. Slept is the second form of sleep. It means it is the past form.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I?
Just wait. Wait a minute. Let me explain it first. Anaya, listen to me, beta. What is the verb in the sentence? Slept,
Slept.
right? It is the second form of sleep. Okay. So we need to start the sentence with past form. Past word of interrogative form. Okay. So which word we can use? Did we can use?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who can frame the sentence in interrogative form? The baby slept peacefully.
Ma'am, can
Did baby sleep peacefully?
Huh?
Did baby sleep peacefully?
Yes. Did the baby sleep peacefully? Did the baby sleep peacefully? Okay. Got it? Now, Asmanjot, Rahul paints a picture. Past continuous.
Ma'am, Rahul painted a picture.
No, it is past continuous form. Wrong.
Rahul will paint a picture.
No, past continuous. It is not your it is
राहुल पेंट्स अ पिक्चर तो क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, can I tell?
बोलो
Yes.
राहुल पेंट्स अ पिक्चर.
Ma'am, can I tell?
पेंटिंग आएगा.
Wait,
Can I
beta.
tell?
Yes, Vansh. Yes, Vansh.
Rahul was
Rahul has
painting a picture.
Rahul was painting a picture. Very good, Vansh. Have you all got the answer?
Yes.
Rahul
Yes,
was painting a picture. Yes, Apurv. The last one. They play football. Negative. They play football.
Ma'am, they do not play football.
Correct, Devik. But if I ask it from Apurv, so you need to wait for a minute, no?
Ma'am, I have one more.
Wait,
ma'am.
wait, everybody wait. Yes, Krishita, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell the answer of the sixth one.
Sixth one already discussed, beta. They do not play football. Okay. Now, okay, Krishita, give me the answer of this homophone. First one.
They do not.
Dash is
not me.
shining brightly.
Sun. S-U-N.
SUN is the correct answer. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Amey.
He went to the beach
Ma'am,
and
we
saw
have network problem. Can I
sea.
leave the class?
You may leave the class.
Ma'am,
Which question were you asking?
Dash.
Ariket, mute yourself. Yes, Krishita. This one. The dash is shining brightly.
Ma'am, the sun is shining brightly.
So,
Shining.
which spelling you will write?
S-U-N.
Very good, Krishita. You're very intelligent.
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanshveer.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait a
Another
minute.
answer.
Wait. Tanshveer is asking something. Yes, Tanshveer.
Another answer for
Huh?
another answer for one question.
Which one? Beta, your voice is not coming, Tanshveer. I think there is some network issue to your side. Yes, Anmol.
Excuse me.
Devik, wait. Yes, Anmol.
I'm typing in chat.
Okay, Tanshveer. Anmol Gupta, you're asking something?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to tell the answer.
Okay. Tell me, I have a dash of shoes. I have a,
Pair.
which spelling you will write?
Ma'am, P-A-I-R.
Pair, correct. Okay. Acha, Devik, nahi, this boy, Tanshveer. You want to
Excuse
say?
me, ma'am.
Wait. Yes, Tanshveer. Vansh, I know you know everything. Mute yourself.
Am I asking for answer? Can I tell?
Nahi, just wait. Just wait.
Ma'am, who is Mr. Beast?
Tanshveer.
And I forgot
Oh.
to change my name.
Very good, Tanshveer.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Meher, please give me the
Excuse
answer
me.
to the question. She wrote a letter
Ma'am?
to her dash friend. She wrote a letter to her.
Dear.
I'm asking it from Meher.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Devik.
Ma'am, dear friend. Ma'am, I don't know how to do the baby slept peacefully.
Beta, in this question, Devik, second form of sleep is used. So it
Okay,
means
ma'am.
it is the sentence
the
of
answer would
past
be
form.
how did the baby sleep?
Excuse me, ma'am.
गलत किए हैं
वो तो सही कर लिए
रैन के साथ क्या आता है
मैंने नीचे कर दिया ऊपर कर दिया मतलब कि
रैन के साथ क्या आता है मुझे ये बता
Ma'am, she wrote a letter to her dear friend. Excuse me, ma'am.
एडवर्ब क्या आएगा रैन के साथ में एडवर्ब की बात हो रही है
Ma'am, dear friend. Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, if you all will talk like this, I cannot answer to anyone.
Excuse me, ma'am. Dear friend. Excuse me,
First of
ma'am.
all, mute yourself.
Ma'am, done all.
I cannot see the
And all very
worksheet.
good. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, now only raise your hands like this. Raise your hand like this and I'll see and I'll ask it from you.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Do the baby sleep carefully or peacefully? क्यों?
Ma'am, can I tell the Ma'am, can I tell the answer of the
Ma'am,
in
question 8. Ma'am, in question 8, I cannot frame the sentence with happily.
Are we over these sentences? No, na? 2 sentences are still left. So just let me complete these 2 sentences.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer happily?
No, don't tell. I will give you the answers. You just check your answers. We went to the beach and swam in the sea. So,
S.
Yes. SEA.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell one answer?
No, no need. Do you know
Ma'am,
the
can I tell
answer?
the fifth one?
Do you know the answer to this question? KNW, no. Okay. Now let us discuss frame sentences.
Ma'am, Vanchadwani is drawing on the screen.
I know, Vanshadwani is doing something on the screen.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I leave the class?
Ah, yes, you may leave the class. Frame sentence,
Ma'am,
given words. You may
this class.
You may get the words tomorrow in your question paper to frame the sentences.
Ma'am,
Okay,
and how much time until the class is over?
10 minutes. Okay, now so your word is happily. Are you all able to frame the sentence with the word
No,
happily?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good. So
Ma'am,
just
I cannot.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of happily?
yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is there more in the paper?
No, nothing is more in the paper. Only 9 questions are there in your paper.
Ma'am, can I send my work on the group?
No, don't send it.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Krishita, you want to give the answer? Yes, please.
Ma'am, I happily came back from school with 80 out of 80 marks in my English exam.
Very good, Krishita. Very good. Okay. So she danced happily at the party. Okay. Now second word is found. Yes, Vanshadwani. Vanshadwani.
I am counting a question.
Meher, give me the answer
Ma'am,
of the
can I
second one, found.
Yes, ma'am.
Found. Frame sentence from found.
Ma'am, second one.
Yes.
I found my pencil under the bed.
Okay, good. Yeah, I found my lost puppy in the park. Whatever you want to write, you can write. Now under Advik. Frame sentence
Ma'am,
from
can I
Advik.
The cat is sitting under the
Okay, beta. So under the cat is under the table or my bottle is under the table. Whatever you want to write, you can write. Was reading. Anaya was reading.
I was reading a book.
Yes, I was reading the book. Okay. Now change the following words in the past form. This type of question also you will get in exam tomorrow. So like you need to write down the past form of the following words. Like the past form of eat is ate. Right? Krishita, yes, you are raising your hand. Why?
Ma'am, I want to tell one answer. Ma'am, will you post the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th? I mean, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th questions.
I will
On
post
the group.
everything on group. I will post everything on group, Krishita. Yes, Anmol Gupta. Run.
Ma'am, which one I tell?
Run. Past form of run.
Ma'am, ran. Ma'am,
Ran.
ran.
Very good. Devik. Past form of make.
Ma'am, made.
Made. Asmanjot. Past form of give.
Ma'am, gave.
Very good. Ariket. Past form of take.
Ma'am, taken.
No.
Ma'am,
No.
can I tell?
Vansh Advani.
Ma'am.
Past form of take. Took. Ayansh Agarwal. Past form of begin.
Beginning.
No. It is began. Sorry, yes. Began.
And I was telling the same, man.
Yes, began. Okay, that is what I was means that's all which we were discussing in the class. Okay, now
Excuse me,
yes,
ma'am, what is the spelling? Begin.
began, beta began.
Ma'am, what is the
BEGAN, began. Please, beta, don't stop doing anything on the screen. Okay, now I'm leaving this meeting and I'll post this worksheet on group. Okay, beta. So all the best. If you have any query of any type, so you can post it on personal window also. Got it? And I'll answer you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye. All the best. Bye, everyone.